Yes, that's of course.
Good afternoon, Doc. For especially in the medical field, knowing that students and professionals are exposed to night shifts, and then is there a way to hack night shift that it can be healthy? Right now, I've experienced night shift when I was still a student before and working at the hospital before. It was like the hospital shift is AM, PM, night, off. That's the role. So, very grabe ang variety ng sleep mo. Talaga hindi consistent. Right now, I'm currently working from home, but it's a night shift. It's consistent. I wanted to find a hack because I love my job. It's a blessing from God. It's a way for me to be engaged in the healthcare community even though I'm home. Pero it's still a factor to worry about, knowing that my mom is breast cancer, survivor na siya daw. She's a breast cancer, survivor siya. And before na to, so we're very conscious on that kasi it's saying it's genetic and all. So I really want to find a hack if there is, or I have to,
Number one, cancer is not genetic.
Okay.
It's only 2%
Amen.
genetic. 98% is lifestyle. It's very unfortunate if you're in night shift because there is really no substitute or no hack for sleep. Because our body is designed to follow the lunar moon. The only hack that you can do is to starve yourself while you are awake. Remove the sugars. Ako ba, night shift pa, sige pagkaan ko, chichirya. Because I got another patients who have 18, 15 years call centers because the pay is higher, but they spend all their money to regain back their health because of cancers. So number one, I would advise that you look for a job that is not night shift. Then look for a job in Australia, day shift yun. Day shift yun. And the thing that you can do, if you cannot help but do a night shift, the hack that you can do is to remove your carbs. Remove the sugar while you are awake. Because the number one problem in the disruption of your circadian rhythm is your hormones. Because it's very, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic system is very, very much into your carbs. If you are still having a lot of sugar while you are awake, the more it causes disruption in the conversion of your androgen to testosterone, progesterone, estrogen. That's why a lot of these people have a lot of problems with their menstruation. Intake before menstruation, dysmenorrhea, and all issues with the hormones. So the only hack that I know is to remove your carbs while you're awake.
Thank you, Doc.
Because the insulin will be going up. If you will not sleep, if you are awake, your body is secreting cortisol. And usually in the morning when you wake up, your sugar is high. Especially if you do not sleep, you're not able to sleep because you are stressed. Every time you are stressed, your body produces cortisol. And cortisol goes up, it increases your sugar. The conversion of your glycogen to sugar, it increases your insulin. It is the hyperinsulinemia which is the cause of all this problem. Especially if you have cancer, you have to lower your insulin. You really have to remove the sugar from your diet because cancer only eats sugar and glutamine. And once you have cancer, since cancer eats only sugars, it has a lot of insulin receptors. If you have hyperinsulinemia, you have some cancer cells or cancer stem cells, it will grow so fast. That's why one of the hack, if you do not help the work, if they remove the sugar while you are awake.
Will it help, Doc, if I stay consistent and straight 8 hours sleep, same time?
Even if our body is really designed for consistency. If you want to be healthy, you have to eat at the right time every day. You have to sleep at the same time every day. Dapat your regularity is the name of the game when you want to be healthy. If you cannot help but work in a night shift, be regular in your sleeping pattern. But what you can do to minimize the hormonal disruption from your circadian rhythm is to remove the sugars from your body.
Thank you, Doc.
Zero sugar. Doon gusto kaya kung kaulon, itlog na lang ka, at least protein. Doon ka kabuok na boiled egg. Yun na lang ang snack mo. Do not eat any sugar. But proteins.
Thank you, Doc.
Don't worry, 2% lang genetic. Cancer is because of inflammation. I will discuss this dahil pinasyon yung mother. Paano ba natin i-avoid ang cancer? How could we avoid cancer? We have to avoid problems in oxidative phosphorylation. What is oxidative phosphorylation? It is the production of energy or ATP, our currency of energy in our system, by the mitochondria. If the mitochondrial production of ATP is disrupted by a toxin, by a carcinogen, by so much sugar, it would try to preserve itself. Hindi naman siya mag-produce of energy using oxygen. The cell will go into a primitive pathway of trying to save itself by producing ATP using sugar. Glycolysis, i-ferment niya ang sugar, and once the cell goes into fermentation mode or glycolysis, it causes disruption in your nucleus. Mag-umpisa ang differentiation sa cell, mag-umpisa mo dahil ang mga cell, the starting indication the cell is becoming cancerous, and it becomes a carcinogenic cell. Telling cancer cells, do not use oxygen in the production of energy, they only use glucose and glutamine. Kaya for every cancer patient, I advise them to go into a ketogenic diet or zero sugar in their diet. Zero sugar. Pwede sila magkarne, naglilig nila mag-help na ang protein na coming from a maintenance source, but dapat zero talagang sugar for cancer patients. Removing glutamine is very difficult because glutamine is produced by the liver, so I give them some antihelmintics, bindazole, ivermectin, to remove the uptake of glutamine in the cells. So that is how we manage cancer patients. If you want to go for chemo, we tell them to go for chemo, but we iodize them in the lifestyle that they have to do. Dapat no carbs. Kung pwede, no animal proteins. We want to prevent cancer because we will be having cancer in our lifetime. We want to prevent it, eat right. Kung mukhaon na karoon, wala may kanon. Magtuntag na o may kanon. Daghang gulay, daghang isda, may kanon. May tinapay. Then sana it's important to use. Any more questions?
More questions?
Doc, kami foods say rich in fructose. So how can we do that?
Kung cancer patients, fructose doesn't spike your insulin. But fructose is metabolized in your liver. It causes problems in your liver pag tumay ang fructose. But if your fructose is coming with fibers, kapag tinapay, dahil fructose, it would not destroy your liver because the fibers and the fructose in the fruit will be acted upon by your body. There are a lot of studies that tells us that fructose in fruits would not really spike your insulin. But the fructose that is refined, like corn syrup, even honey is 80% fructose. This destroys the liver. This is not good for cancer patients. So it will spike in insulin. It causes damage to your liver. It is converted to nitrogen, which is eventually will be converted back to glucose. Even protein, too much animal protein will be converted back to sugar when the body needs it. You could have fructose in vegetables and in fruits, but not too many. And even juicing, I was juicing before, but juicing your carrots or vegetables, juicing your is not really beneficial because you're removing the fibers. You better blend it or eat them with the fibers. You blend it instead of juicing it so that you will be eating it with the fibers. And last in your diet. Eat your vegetables first, protein next, and then your fruits. Pero nakapitingan don't worry about fruits. Kung sasabi sa Ginoo, I give you every seed bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it, they will be yours for meat, according to the King James Version. And I give another translation, it shall be your for yours for food. Science tells us, tama yung Ginoo, you will have fructose in the fruits. Not the fructose at amifan. Yung mga maple syrup, yung mga even stevia, saccharine, artificial sugars, although it is better than sugar. I tell you, some would tell you that it is bad for your kidneys, carcinogenic. Yes, of course, I understand it's carcinogenic, but stevia or other artificial sugars or drinking Coke Zero would be really much better than drinking a regular Coke. Because of the sugar, very high fructose in the regular Coke. However, artificial sugars, even if it will expire, when it is absorbed in your gut, the insulin, by cephalic stimulation in your tongue, taste sweetness, the insulin will go up. Although the sugar will not go up if you are using stevia, but your insulin goes up. For me, it is the sugar, it's not the sugar that is my concern. It is the hyperinsulinemia. Because the one causing glycation in your proteins in your brain, causing dementia, Alzheimer's, even other neurological problems because of hyperinsulinemia. Aging is hyperinsulinemia. Because in females, infertility problems is hyperinsulinemia. It's because of sugar. Kailangan nila natin ng sugar. Sugar is our enemy. Even aging, the glycation of proteins in our skin that makes us age earlier than we ought to age. It's because of the glycation in the proteins of the skin. It's because of hyperinsulinemia. Insulin pa rin. And of course, insulin is affected by stress. Because the cortisol goes up, the body would like to produce glucose from glycogen and other sources to fight or flight. Insulin goes up. When the insulin goes up, it causes the problems.
Yes, clarify that fresh foods are okay.
Okay, of course, but not okay. Better if you don't juice them. Blend it to the people of the fibers in it. And you eat it with fibers. Meaning, tangi mo malusay, tangi mo pichay, tangi mo choy, tangi mo gawin yung blend. May smoothies ako green with vegetables. Yes, you are shoes. Yes.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Doctor. I am a college student and majority of us are experiencing stress due to our studies, but some people say that if you eat sweets, it will lessen your stress. But what you said earlier, that sweets causes our insulin to rise, which causes stress. How can I tell them that sweets will just make you stress even more because your insulin goes up? Yeah, what's an alternative so that they will be less stressed when it comes to studies?
Okay. Sugar is one of the things that we crave when we are stressed. Because every time you have sugar, your body produces oxytocin, which is a precursor of the production of serotonin, which is anti-stress hormones. So makita niyo yung lawas na mag-produce oxytocin so that your serotonin goes up. So yung iba, yung binge eating when they are stressed, kumakain sila to remove the stress. But actually, it would not help you at all. Kaya maraming mga college student like yung PCOS. PCOS, yung polycystic ovarian disease, yung nag-abscess sa ilang ovaries because of the diet. Pagkadaghang ice, melty everywhere. Cookies, chippy, latte, Starbucks, Boost Coffee, all these are all fructose. Tapos, mag-arang pagtukod dito sa Starbucks, sige, kaon ko, cakes, ice cream, cookies, chichirya. You will look for them because sugar is more difficult to remove compared to cocaine or heroin. But so you really have to fight for it. You really have to love yourself. Na hindi ka magpahilan sa demonyo na i-gratify mo ang iyong pagalingon para mawala ang iyong stress by eating an assurance. Yes, your body will produce oxytocin as a hormone, but the more it will give you that addiction to sugar. And you could not help later on, alam mo na lang, hindi na normal ang menstruation mo. Alam mo na lang, may dysmenorrhea ka na, may headache ka na, hindi ka naman ng menstruation, later on you will have endometriosis, later on you have PCOS. Dahil magsusunod ka insulin. As I've said, this insulin mechanism because of this one. And even your brain will be fine. So when you do vegetarian diet when you are studying, you will absorb your lessons. Ang uban, may stress, gano'n ba? Dili mo ng tuon na yun, tuwa sa Facebook, baka sa hanggang alas 12. Pag mag-examine niya, makatuon, stress. Pero kung matulog ka sa'yo, 8:30, tulog na ka alas 9, hindi ka na magkakon, alas 3, pag mataligo. Sa oras na sa alas 6, i-amo siya ako na, wala mga istorbo. Advice yun yun, sila Jamil, ako mga anak, wala na ako nasa-stressa sila habang nag-eskwela pa. Magtuon gaya na sila sa elementary, kung ayaw tuon, kapoy na. I don't want to stress them. I want them to play. Kaya naka-experience na ako, pero pag-ulor, makipag-away mo na akong mother kung hindi ko first honor. Mas sa college of medicine, you have to maintain your brain para maging valedictorian ka para mag-number 1 ka. Kapoy biya si tuon. Kung enjoy mo na sa kinabuhi ka, kagawa ni kinabuhi. Okay na 75. Huwag mo na akong mga anak. Huwag din ko makatungtong stage o pat na akong anak. Ay mag-assignment, ay mo ano eh. Oo, mag-anak assignment. Kas anak ko nakatong stage. At nakas ali ay nakatong stage. Sa akong first eldest ko. Loyalty award. Ano sila tanan, may loyalty award. Ang naka-stage niya ako from nursery, kindergarten, at high school, loyalty award. Ayan ko sa ilaha, diha na mo magtuon kung namituro na ninyo sa inyong profesyon. Kaya Rizal, Pilipino, political science, kung ano ka-stress na mo anak. Na-stress na po ganyan sa study. Pero pag-college ang medicine nila, they were topping in their classes. Kaya kayo na po sila, diha, karo, tuon na mo. Kaya mo na yung ganito. Kaya pag-apply nila sa St. Luke's, dahil makasuot, yung mag-examine nga, apil na sila sa top. Musuod sa PGH, lison magsuod niya, yakin sa Jamil, 300 applicants, upat na yung haon. Kung siya sa nakuha para sa iyang residency. Ako bang galing, matigana, kasi may background mo, may mga anak sa mga doktor, mga pinsan sa senador, hindi matagang pundo, may episode. Napakasunod mo mga anak, kasi may background mo. Pinakamakasunod na akong bakit. Plus the foundation. Maski anak ka nagdukong sa PGH, kung ang pag-examine, gawin ang score, tama ang score, dahil ginawa ko nagtanaw, sunod na sila. So, I have seen God to be alive in my life. I see a lot of miracles in my patients. I'm not a good doctor. We have a good doctor. I always lay my hand in prayer. Agree with them for a healing touch. Pag hindi na rin tayo pasyente pagkahin ko, kaya sila ng tao o dito. Kaya siya tuon dahil. Ang mata na nito yung pagtuon, ayaw stress yung pagkaligo. Kaya ng mga Facebook, ay pinita na kung ano may stress ka sa pagtuon, kaya ka mag extracurricular activity. Kaunta.
Question? Yes, ma'am.
Ngayon, ako daw, kung sa kayo kasi kasulti party sa mga herbal medicine, karoon daw na sponsor daw sa radio, promote nila pa yung herbal medicines or supplements.
use a lot of herbs. I use a lot of supplements. Gano'n ba? Parehas sa ako sa tatlo. Ang among carrots, ang among broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, gikan pa sa Mountain Province. From Mountain Province, dahil sa La Trinidad, which is the center for the trade for vegetables, La Trinidad to may lugar pa niya sa Pangasinan na mo na yung trading area sa gulay, ilakaadlaw na lang. From Pangasinan to Divisoria, how many days? From Divisoria to Tacloban, how many days? From the wholesaler to the retailer, how many days? From the retailer to a refrigerator, and we overcook it, again, we overcook pa. Wala na, oxidized na ang mga minerals na napili. That's why there's a need for us to really stop some supplements. I give a lot of supplements, but I choose the supplements I give. Dili ko mahatag ka rin mga edad, Monse, Revicon, Sentro, anak Sentro, Selder, para sa manok ng anak. Hindi ka po ito. Ito ilang giingon na yung sa ayaw na promoting any product. Pero may mga mapalit din yun. Mga food supplements na ibaligyan in the market, especially if it comes from Utah, they are very good quality herbs. Yes, I use some herbs. Ang ginuumagali, herbs ang gigamit, kung sa inyo sa mukang numbers. I give you the fruit for food and the leaves for medicine. The king Hezekiah was dying because of tumor, cancer, during that time. Then he pleaded with God, Lord, do you not recall the good things I did? Pabalik niya ang propeta, go back to Hezekiah, bring a fig tree leaf. The first herbalist is God. Magdala ka o dahon sa fig tree, put it into the lamp of Hezekiah. Pwede ba na ako ayoko? Because I'm giving him another 15 years of his life. Pwede mo na ayoko sa Ginoo dayon na walay dahon. Pwede yung ato mga dahon na gigamit. These are just something that we could hold on sa atong faith. But they really help so much. These are a lot of technologies, a lot of bioflavonoids and polyphenols that really influences adaptogens at humans. Pero iba-iba ang component. Dapat malaman natin kung ano ang kailangan mo. Hindi ko pinahanggan ng inom ka. Kaya mga cases of medical schools, because not din mo mag-treat themselves. Wala ka na palis na sa Ginoo. You have a problem with your liver, jaundice, Topiret would be the best cure for you. Luyang dilaw, that's the number one treatment for a liver problem. Nakakay problema sa mababa ang red blood cell mo. O, kita kang kamuti, dahon na kuha. Kuha dahon sa kamuti. Nag-aapin mo, may ilunin mo. The color is a law of cellulars. Pwede mo na makakuha. You have a problem with your bile, green leafy vegetables. Dali ba ng tanawin? Makita na nga lahat ito. Yung palisod-lusod lang sa big pharmaceutical company. Hindi mo kwarta. Buon mo kwarta na. But God has provided us all these medicines that we can use. Toxins, humaw. What is the color of toxins? Diba ito? Kung sa may tambal sa toxin, miski sa hospital, nadala ka, nakainom ka o poison, siya painom sa imo. Di ba siya ko, itumsan? God has made it so simple. Tako nang ipalisod-isod. Nakagad ang toxin, gusto ba ito buy some capsule. Charcoal capsules and take them regularly for eating some toxin. To remove the toxin from your system. God has made it so simple for us. Para hindi ka makisulisyon. Yes, I use some herbs. Yes, I use a lot of supplements. But I choose the supplements I use. Dapat hindi ka na synthetic. Because the cells do not absorb synthetic things. So, una din tumutungan na. I attended a conference in Australia. There was a biochemist who presented a study in vitro sa petri dish. Cultured the human cell. Ilang i-drop ang synthetically produced vitamins compared to naturally extracted vitamins. The cell is intelligent enough not to accept anything synthetic. Dili ito so, sayang lang ang inyong placebo. With that study, I was thinking, in vitro lang yan. In vivo baka different. I was in another conference in Tokyo. There was one Arabian doctor, an endocrinologist, diabetologist, babae. He studied Witcher compared to chromium picolinate for diabetes. Equivalent of chromium in Witcher and chromium picolinate in capsule. I-compare niya ang control. Those patients, he gives some chromium picolinate, other patients, she gave Witcher with the equivalent of chromium in the number of grams of Witcher. The response of lowering of the sugar was better in Witcher, patients taking the Witcher. And she did a urine challenge test. I-examine niya ang mga ihi sa mga pasyente, trying to see whether there was chromium in the urine. Those who were taking chromium picolinate in capsule, positive ang chromium in the urine. While those who were taking Witcher, chromium was not safe in the urine, meaning it was bioavailable to the cells of the patient. There I was convinced. So it takes a lot of studies to convince you whether it is true or not. From the time on, I will always change the vitamins of my patients to a more natural source. Bakit ang malimong diferensya? Ang imong sentro, inutangin mo sa gawas, bisan yung katubig, it will not change its color because these are synthetic. Kaning mga naturally extracted vitamins, if you leave them behind for a day or two, makita mo, they will change its color. Ito na siya. Nalimaho pag yun. Because it absorbs the humidity in the atmosphere, it is alive with which it reacts. Bago oxidize. So you will notice that it's a natural extracted vitamins. So if you take the supplements are not created equal, you have to choose. Di ba galing ako kayo ng barato ng sapatos? Dapat mahal yun. Ang ato isuot. Pero palit galing pa, mahal. Palit galing yung vitamins, sunod mas kumit na kay barato. Vitamins yan. Pero dahil nga nagsakyan na sa kasa, pakutan kong galing sila kung sa may oil na yung gusto, regular oil, or synthetic. Ay, synthetic yun. Bayo pa yung sakyan na, synthetic oil. Pero kaya sa sakyan na, parang nagula ang ascorbic acid ang iinom. Kano din nakita? Pero tanawa ang pearl ako. Tanawa ang diamond din ako. Tanawa ang mahalo. Pero makita naman. Pero ang hindi makita. But this is the irony. You have to invest in your health now so that you will not suffer sickness in the future. Sabi ko nga, i-project mo sa sarili mo. Kung sa may gusto yung buhato, medyo mo yung 100, nag-drive ka pa, nagduwa ka sa ilong ako. Kung sa klaseng duwa, ang imong gusto duwa sa ilong ako, kada lang mo naglingkod ka na lang, na ano lang ka, ananaon, o gusto pa rin ba, kaubang pa rin yung ako para mag-fishing mo, maglakaw mo sa forest, o paluwal pa rin ako sa tulogin. You have to invest in your health right now. Because health doesn't come by itself. You really have to fight for it. Did I answer your question? Yes.
Connection na lang sa question ni Sister Kanang about food supplement. Why is it that almost all of food supplement without therapeutic approval sa particular food drugs?
Food and Drugs Administration, dili na sila masunod. Gamo sa ka-herb, mag-compare sa drugs. Kaya influence ng kaayo sa big pharmaceutical companies ang ating medical system. So para dili kompetensya, mas kinaanay maayong epekto sa tao, sa lawas, ipabutang nila sa FDA, no therapeutic claim. Bisan walang expiration ng herbs, 2 years na nila. Ipabutang nila ang expiration 2 years. Para dili makakumpit sa drugs. Dili mo inuman nila. Kami mga doktor, if you notice, dili mo prescribe ng vitamins. Nakita ng doktor ng prescribe ng vitamina. Gamay na, kung prescribe na kung ikaw may mangayo. Doktor, kanyang usap ka ng amlodipine, kanyang akong metformin, wala may bantamin ani, nakauban. Ako prescribe na doktor, sige, ilang ko credit ko, sa kadaan lang, ilang kursi, o sa kanya. Yung malo, may complex, na isang nakubos, dolo yung malo, may magkapende para sa tamang distortion din. Bihira ang doktor, because we were never taught nutrition in medical school. We were taught to lower blood sugar, but we were not taught to cure diabetes. We were taught to lower blood pressure, but we were never taught to cure hypertension. Tapos, ang pag-year karo, when I was a medtech student, when I graduated medtech Wales 1980, the normal blood sugar was 70 to 120. Pag-graduate na ako sa medical school, the normal blood sugar was 70 to 110. Karon, ang normal blood sugar is, it should be less than 100. Gano'n ba? Para pag 100 man na gana yung imong sugar, may unang imong caring and loving diabetic doctor, ma'am, kinahanglan na ka mag-inom metformin. Once a day lang muna. Then we will check after 1 month. Bakit tugluin na ang cause niya ay sa diabetes is hyperinsulinemia because of the too much glucose that you are taking. Makakontrol ang sugar, 120 na, 130. Ma'am, dugangan na ito, glyceride. Ang imong metformin, 3 times na yun na ito. Dugangan na ito, glyceride, gamay para makontrol. Kontrol ang gamay, after 5 years, balik, taas sa ng sugar, hangtod na taas na yun tayo, hindi naman ni madam. Try po na mga atong oral meds, tinala na mag-insulin. Insulin injection. But if you check your fasting insulin levels, ang pinaka-importante is not to check your sugar. Do not check your HbA1c. Check on your fasting insulin. Taas na yung insulin, mag-inject ka mag-insulin. Why? Pinataas na ng insulin level, beyond physiological levels, i-force nila na ma-absorb ang sugar. Pero most of the problem, sabi ko pa kanina, is hyperinsulinemia. Is the one that causes glycation in the blood vessel walls. Kaya, pag dugay na naka-insulin, manaot na ang tiil, makutlang. Ang mata na anay bleeding kay barado. Kung sa may buhaton sa ophthalmologist, no offense to my brother, yung may son-in-law, sa ophthalmologist, asawa sa akong anak, ilang i-laser ang to block the flow, ay mag-bleed man, mabuba ang retina. Ito lang to block the flow, hindi ko open it up. Mabara na ang red arteries, hindi na tama ang production ng urine, taas ng creatinine. Anyway, okay na. Kwarta sa akong anak na nephrologist. 1,000 biyak na hatag sa doktor kan with dialysis. Bakit kasi mali yung makikita, kaya ikaw yung may doktor na kaya 1,000 na rin ang dialysis nila. Ang nakikain mo 10,000 a day, 100,000 a day, 100%. So, it is not supposed to be the case. If you could just be mindful and be conscious, you could prevent all these things. All these things are preventable. Number 1 kalaban nato is sugar. Ang karne, kung makuha niyo yung better, pero rin kung imo na mag-vegetarian ko, you could have beef, you could have camping from time to time. Pero di kita permi camping. Buta may gabay, bumbos, protein pag yan. Doktor, matapos pa ng uric acid. Taas na ng uric acid. Uric acid is a signaling molecule. If you have a lot of cookies, a lot of ice cream, a lot of cakes, a lot of iced tea, you will increase your uric acid level. Because uric acid is a signaling molecule for you to store fats. The bears in the polar poles, sa Antarctica, before winter, before they hibernate, there are a lot of berries or the bear will take all these berries, very high, getting the fructose. If the fructose is very high, their uric acid goes up to signal their body to store up fats for a winter that is coming. We have been storing fats for a winter that never comes. Kaya, pag acidic ang immune system, this elevated uric acid, with the acidity of your system, because you're eating a lot of acid food like rice, bread, fish, and meat, is very acidic, it is converted to monouric acid crystals, it causes pains in your joints. Ang tawag ka na, arthritis. If you are eating a lot of food that are very, very toxic, your immune response becomes hyperactive, naalasan kayo ng rheumatoid arthritis. It's an autoimmune problem. Autoimmune problem is very easy to cure. Clean up high dose of vitamin D3. Expose yourself to sunlight. You will remove whatever autoimmune disease you have. Or 10,000 milligrams of vitamin D3 a day. Ako nag-iwag kanina si Chris Aquino. Tanan na ako nag-iingnan, kaya mga friends, pag po ako si Chris Aquino, please stand there, I would like to see you. Ang idea, dahil ko ba? Kapag magkakaroon na ako si Chris, gusto mo ka mag-fasting, kaya mo mag-fasting. Ayaw ka ako 7 days. Yung taon ka, kung adlaw, hindi ka sa ganun pa ako ng 7 days. I will give her a lot of vitamin D3 to expose her to sunlight. Lahat ng pinto niyang autoimmune disease, it will disappear. Why? Because it's a problem of the whole body. When your whole biome is disrupted, when a lot of bad bacteria dominates your system, all the toxins will go inside because you've been panicking. Once the toxin goes inside, your immune response, which is large 80% in your gut, are becoming hyperactive. It causes a lot of autoimmune problems. Di ang problema din ngayon sa spike protein produced by the vaccination that you have, especially the messenger RNA. I am not an anti-vax. I believe in vaccination. Sinovac, okay with you. Measles, tetanus, hepatitis B, wala problema. But the messenger RNA, which has never been tested, no animal trials, no human studies, no monitoring of adverse side effects. Because of emergency, most of you who have received this messenger RNA vaccine, we are the guinea pigs of this new technology. Kung saan what is the one dictating the production of your proteins? It is the one that produces your protein, the color of your hair, the color of your skin, your appearance, all the proteins in your system is produced by the DNA. It's the DNA who makes the template, but it is your messenger RNA, that is your epigenetic, that dictates the DNA you want to produce. Binigyan ka ng messenger RNA, it goes into your epigenetic, it dictates the DNA to produce a protein similar to the spike protein of the virus. Of course, it is right. Pag naana ang protein na yan, your immune system will produce an antibody against it. Pagpasok sa protein through a virus, the body will fight against it. Very good theory. But the problem is, even without the virus now, even if your immune response has already been created, your body is continuously producing the same spike protein in your system. And you have to remember that this spike protein is not part of your system. It is foreign to your system. Gihimo lang siya because of this messenger RNA that dictates your DNA to produce a protein similar to the spike protein of the virus. What happens? It causes a lot of microagglutination. That now is stroke, that now myocarditis, and it really exposes someone to develop cancer. Kaya karon sa akong clinic, I'm too busy managing all these patients who have been injured by the vaccine. Buti na lang, it weighs out through the years. Ang iba, we have an excess death sa Pilipinas, 176,000 deaths in excess of our national average. Hindi ba na-notice yan na nagpatay, nagkangamayan? Ang iba, mababata pa, di dahil sa heart attack, di dahil stroke, at lots of cancers, bigla na nagdaghan. ang ako unang pumunta, what is your vaccination sa mundo? Doon sa ito ba, gagawin nyo ka-booster, Pfizer. So nakita ko tambal to utilize there, I give them highly of vitamin C, to thin out the blood, so that they will not suffer from microcoagulation of the platelets that causes microstrokes to infants. Pagkakita. So I am not scaring you. We have a God that will protect you. All I do is eat right. Because once you eat right, all this side effect of this fruit such spike protein will just be gone. High dose of vitamin C. High dose of formulated enzymes. I use that of nattokinase and serapinase, which is anti-inflammatory, to neutralize the microcoagulation of the hormone. Any more questions? Yes, sir.
Totoo ba yun na pag matanda ka na, hindi ka makatulog ng maraan yung diretso? Yeah, because I'm insomnia. Pinakamabang tulog ko usually 4 hours. Gusto ko tulog ng 8. Pero pikit na tayo ko matulog.
Hindi po totoo yun, nakakatumatanda tayo ni exact period natin. Because my mother-in-law is with us. Naiingit ka ako sa mother-in-law ko eh. Pag 8:30, lights off na kami sa bahay. Because we don't have TV in the house. We eat as early as 6 o'clock. Pag 8:30, lights off na kami. Ako mother-in-law sleeps at night, wakes up at 9 o'clock in the morning. She is 89 years old. Naiingit ka ako, hapa-hapa na tulog niya. Magigising lang yun. Kung mabati na niya, ang kutsara, matulog na, kaya mamahaw naman bigla alas 9, alas 10. So we have dinner at 6 o'clock. We have breakfast about 9:30 to 10. So at least we have about 40 to 16 hours of a time restricted eating. Dapat dili. Lalo hindi makakatulog. Number one, as I've said kanina, you don't expose your eyes to sunlight. The one that controls your sleeping pattern, which is the rhythm, is sunlight. Why not go to the beach? Nanonotice nyo ba yan? Magantay pa ka? Mag-beach ka? Maski hindi ka maligo? Uuli pa na alas 6 at ulo na kayo habang mahulog ko sa tricycle kaya mong sakyan? Because the reflection of the sunlight in your eyes will make you sleepy. Because the one that controls your sleep is circadian rhythm. It is very, very much influenced by sunlight. Kung saan ka malimang tulog, kung 8:30 na, nagsigap pa ang imong light sa imong malay, nag-TV ka pa, nag-cellphone ka pa, blue light, how could you sleep? Nag-telenovela ka pa, paano ka makatulog? You have to dim your light to tell your body that it's already night time. Gabi na, panahon na para matulog. Then, do not force yourself to sleep. Because every time you force yourself to sleep, you will not sleep because you will be stressed. And your bedroom should be a place for you to sleep. It is not a place for you to quarrel with your husband. Dahil ito mo yan na every time you are there, nakaano na yan na this is a place for me to sleep. Kung di ka makatulog, mag-worry ka kaya wala makatulog, samot na di ka makatulog. Don't worry about it. Just a matter of time, you just regularize your sleeping. Pag 8:30, wala ka sa iyong kwarto, close your eyes. Bahala ka din makatulog. Later on, will be able to sleep. Pag di ka makatulog, do the breathing exercises I told you earlier. Inhale deeply through your nose.
Thank you, sir. Basta pa, sir.
Inhale your liver. It's a liver problem.
Yeah.
You have a problem with your liver now.
Anong gawin ko, sir?
Pati dalisan ka masuk. Irritable kung may liver problem. Dili ka to, sakit mo ng dugo, taas ang blood pressure, 160/100, 140/90, it is a liver problem. Remove the fructose from your diet because fructose destroys the liver like sandwich gland.
Sir, sorry.
Yes.
Ang tinitake kong vitamin is Silver Advance.
Sentro is
Sabi mo po, hindi daw maganda. Ano maganda?
usually, when I was training in the States, ang problema ko, maghuli na galing ko, kung sa may angkat na ako kita, na naghatag na sa ako $100 US. Kasi may ako mga ano, kasi pasalubong na ako. Buwan ko sa Costco, buwan ko sa may mga vitamins. Kita ko na mo yung mga pinsan sa Amerika. Pag-muabot ko sa may mga pasalubong sa inyo. Fish oil, silver, calcium, napay mga lipstick, calcium na gagmay. Eh mo na yung mga ano. Magkano ang Centrum Silver sa US? It's $10 US per sale. Pag dili sale, $12 US. 500 pounds. I-times mo na para dali, 50 na lang, 50 pesos. Ang mini, tag 1 peso lang na ang Centrum. What is in 1 peso? In Philippine money? Wag ganun sumuma. Ang juicy fruit gani, 2 pesos na. Kaya kung banto ka sa Pacific Agri, kadang sa Pangiro, Centrum Silver ang pinaka.
Sir, sabihin, maayon mo i-take, sir, na vitamin para sa
I am not here to endorse any. Okay lang ha. Pag nagkakay ko, okay ka na. Pero ano kayo ng barley, nga naghamang malunggay sa ibang neighbor, pareho naman na sila chlorophyll. Dahil may pitsay, dahil may alugbate, dahil naman itong talino, kaya sa itong gilid, dahil naman itong sangit, dahil naman itong multitaps, naroon pa rin ng tag-barley. Ang problema, gusto na ito instant. Fast foods, fast vegetables. Mayroon akong barato, dahil kay Tony ba na? Maritoni ang endorser, minsan takbahan rin ang sachet. Palit, ang pizza ay 20 pesos lang. Dapat kay fibers, hindi lang puro chlorophyll. But if you have a lot of money, take it, no problem. No problem with it. Kung nakaiwak ka. Pero sayang.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Ayan po, isumbong ninyo sa barley. Ano yung first ito ang kalaman ng barley?
Ladies first.
Good afternoon, Lord. What can you say about the apple cider gummies?
As I have said earlier, one of the hacks that you can do so that your sugar, your glucose will not be absorbed. One of the things that breaks down the glucose is alpha amylase in your system. It is inhibited by acetic acid coming from vinegar. Kung ang ibong gummies is apple cider vinegar gummies, you could take it before a meal. Others put apple cider vinegar in their water when they wake up in the morning. Better if you take it before you eat a heavy meal. Pero ano mo pa rin ang apple cider na naamay cocoa cider ang hihilo sa bilang. Naamay na ng amino acid, kontra, naamay sa apple cider, nakasulat niya, ang ingredient niya, potassium and distilled water, and a lot of fructose. Dili siya mahalyo. Naamatay suka niya. Kaya suka ba? Tuwa, you could put that in drinking water. Kung dili, sausaw na lang ng suka, kaon mo. Sa ikang kaon, suka ang imo, sausawan. Para na kayo bigyan when you are eating. Butangin sili. Because sili has very high in vitamin C, very high in minerals. It lowers your blood sugar, blood pressure. Taas ang iyong blood pressure. Mag-ano ka o sili, kung pinagkahanga sili, utang sa iyong sublingual, your blood pressure will go down.
Yan, apple cider.
You could have apple cider, why not? Why do you have to subsidize the American farmers when we could subsidize our coconut growers by taking cocoa cider vinegar?
We have all the natural resources na ako. sunod against that.
Ang sa imong advice sa hyperacidity or acid reflux?
Acid reflux is a liver problem. Problema na sa atay. Pag kanaghan ko yung pasyente ka, itagaan ko yung ultrasound, gabiskol, nahurot na. Kanang akong anak ko sa gastroenterologist, ang iyang wife gastroenterologist sa. Pag di naghanay na makontrol ang ilang acid reflux, i-refer na sa ako, kung susahay sa katuwing ng acid reflux ng tao, ang gusto na ultrasound. Kanang ultrasound ka ba? Baka apit kung pinarang yung chairman. Kapaanak ang chairman. Mura na siya ang dudar para sa poste. Hindi na yung si chairman musuhol sa barangay hall. Muritan na yun. It also destroys your whole biome. Makabuba sa ito normal bacterial flora. The problem there is not hyperacidity. It is the lack of bile salts. The neutralizing acid, after it's being used after digestion, kulang ang production of bile because your liver is affected. Ipa-check ang iyong liver. Sigurado ako fatty liver yan. If you have a chronic GERD or gastroesophageal reflux, yung iba mag-reflux, tungod kay natulog sila 1 hour or 30 minutes after eating dinner. Busog ka pa, matulog na ka, burintax din ka magabot alas 2. Kaya ang atong 2 to 3 hours man. That's why you have to sleep 2 to 3 hours after your last meal. Because if you want to sleep at 9, dapat 6 o'clock, and your dinner should be the smallest portion of the whole day. Sabi nga, eat like a king for breakfast, eat like a queen or prince for lunch, and eat like a pauper for dinner. Sabi na po sa atin, we eat like the king and queen for dinner. Gidugli nato ang sa hari o sa queen, ihalang ko sa gabi. Queen didn't report. The 90% of your glucose is used by the brain. You would not gas up your car if you have to put that into the garage. Ayaw i-full tank mo sa kira kung garahe na ka. Wala kami kasi bumasok, natulog na ka. No wonder, kaning ato mga bilbil, di mo kamay. I-store nga as fats ang excess calories na hindi natin magamit. Kaya ikaw ang nagdaan sa gabi, tapos natulog ka na. Isupagyan reflux sa liver problem. Check on your SGPT. Check how an ultrasound of your upper abdomen. Pag di na maayos sa tamang pagkaon, order it in the morning when you wake up. Plant-based food. Pag di na mawa, iwan man, kamansin, dali na naman. Ika patients sa bukol. Maungan ko pag-clinic din sa bukol. Inaaman na akong mentor din. Hindi ko gusto si kong imbita. Hindi na Ray, hindi na June, nag-iyanan, radyo hak na, nag-iyanan, Murakay, Ananda Murakay. I-invite sila mag-clinic ko sa bukol. Together with some of those friends of mine. In fact, they were inviting me to be a part of the radio program. Alam ko ni Edna, siya may akong mentor. Ano sa sabi? Pero siya, ako inulang gusto na akong teritoryo. Maawaw. Pagdagang kamansin, ang hindi na maayo, kamansin. Pero ang plant-based diet, ang kanyang system, natulog ka.
Ang clinic doon nasa Arbital, no? At baka sa Arbital.
Ang ako. I am not here to promote my clinic. For those who have seen me, alam nila yung clinic ko, alam nila yung isa na nag-aaral. Ako yung pasakit na kanina. Kaya buha ko, pasakit na ako.
Arbital?
Kuwasa doon mayan yung police state sa Cebu. But I only give order twice a month. Dahil ay mapinig yung Manila, ay mapinig sa Buanga, ay mapinig yung Tacloban, so ay mo ano.
Pag-question.
Dok, yung kapon, lahi din ako sa ulang na sakit. At itong first week sa April, na ako'y bugahin na rikos. Single. Kung sa katinood na, hantod pa 1 year, akong pati ko na sakit na hapdos. Hindi ko katulog ko gagawin.
Shingles sometimes will last for 20 years. The pain would last for 20 years. Shingles and indication that your immune system goes down, went down. Shingles is a virus that stays there after you have chicken pox when you were young. Kung hindi na mo tamok sa pitas because it's in the nerves. Malaman mo, kung hindi na side, hindi na nakaside. Dugi na sa luwag. Wala rin tambal sa conventional medicine but for you to take some pain reliever if you are really discomforted by the pain. Gusto niyo matanggal yan, plant-based diet, kamalsini, tanggal ko na. Pag department medicine, hindi na. Dahil mo yung kaso na rin. Daghan na makaroon ng shingles after vaccination. There's palsy, shingles after messenger RNA. Yes, I'm a person.
Senior sa tawag, senior. Good afternoon, Doc. Your Excellency, nakita ka na personal, doktor ka sa kansawa. Okay? Kailangan pagkakala, Doc, okay, sa pag-inom sa tubig, kung sa mag-inom sa my eyes, bugna, or normal, or high. Okay? Naibang pagkakala, Doc, tingko na ng tanan. Sa imong istorya kanina, na gusto ka o manunggay, pansan manunggay. How about wheat bread? Ikatulo do. Para na ako, kasagaran ang pampaligid sa to, read your Bible. Isa kayo mabasa ng Bible, okay?
Magbabasa, makatuog.
Oo, mabasa sa Bible.
Pag magbasa ng Biblia, makatuog ka. Number one, matulog ka sa demonyo. Second, you are straining your eyes by only black and white color. But if you strain your eyes with blue light, hindi ka to. Kaya, if you read a book, you read the Bible, it will bring you to sleep. Because of the monotony of the black and white color. Wheatgrass is very inflammatory. Very high in protein. That's the worst bread that you can have. Sa panahon sa tubig. It is best to drink warm water or water at its normal temperature. Why? Because when you drink cold water, you need a lot of energy to heat it up. You have to remember that your body is 37 degrees centigrade. You are wasting a lot of energy to put that cold water back to 37 degrees centigrade. It's a waste of energy. Bisang galing at makipag-away ka, waste of energy. Di ba mo nakakita sa si Steve Jobs, Zuckerberg? Look at what the clothes they wear. Si Steve Jobs, pero may lagi na siya black. Di ba black? Si Zuckerberg, pero may lagi na siya gray. Abinin mo kanina ilis. Ipakutana na siya nga yung sinina, kaya yung anak, paki-systems lang before. Kung sa ilang ingon, maski si Elon Musk, why? Alagi lang nila. We don't want to waste of energy thinking what color of clothes to wear. We got a lot of things to do that we don't want to waste of energy. Kung sa may Paris na ako medyas, okay? Okay lang ang kombinasyon, dili. Kaya pala, you're already wasting your energy. Kaya if you notice these guys, they don't change the color of their shirts. If you ask them why, we don't want to waste energy thinking about what clothes to wear. Kaya kasi nila parehang ka na kung ang ligo, surto. Wala sila ka ng because may maraming things to think about. Pagpabugnaw, pagpainit lang sa 37 degrees sa tubig ay lumikahon, mag-ilog. Already close a lot of energy. Bisang nga ng pagkaon, I don't feel good when I'm full. I really feel so bad kung mabusog. I feel at my best when I'm in a fast system. I feel profound. And the best cure for every problem is fasting. Puasa kayo. Puasa kayo. You want your old cells to be replaced with new ones? a 36-hour fast proposes. Do you want your stem cells to increase in number? Go from 70 to 100 hours of fasting. Kakasan ka, fastasan ka, but if you could do that, an intermittent fasting or intermittent eating would be the best thing. It will lower your sugar. Did I answer your questions?
Okay. Morena to, sa Sunday, makasawa sa puto na, isinilis-ilis, kung may bukan, malate na sa church. Stress.
Kay stress sa bana, kay dugay malit sa church, kay mamili ka ng misis o sa isot ko, dili man iangay akong sayang sa akong kanina, mahurot, bisa nagtulong sa mga appliances. So may tulong ako kanina, pati color sa cutex, tulong sa sapatos, dapat pa rin ang pakiambang na stress. Ihurot ang nahiya. Pagkari sa church, tulong ang isang
Good afternoon, Doc, and everyone. Ang ko about the vegetables lang. You said a while ago na nice with vegetables, which I agree, pero is it okay if like sauteed ang vegetable, gisahon? Okay na siya, no? Or it has
You
to
could
be fresh?
cook your vegetable any other in any way.
Okay,
But the best is if it could be eaten raw, salads. But if you could have cook them, you could saute it, you could blanch it, you could bake it, you could put gata. Ang maayo yun, ginataan yun lang. Because coconut milk or coconut oil would be the best thing. Pinapapaan yun. So, ginataan yun. Basta wala yung season nito. No man sa sarap, hindi sa meso, chemicals in your So, minimize your starchy vegetables. Hindi na ito naghahanap ng kalabasa, hindi na ito naghahanap ng patatas, because of those vitamins. Green leafy vegetables will be the best. More greens.
Okay, thank you. Second question, Doc. Can less meat or no sugar shrink? Can it shrink inflammation? If ever you have inflammation?
Of course not. Because if you have very high sugars in your system, it causes inflammation in your mitochondria.
But in case you have inflammation na Doc, makashrink siya.
It will remove your inflammation. Try to go for a fast. Your inflammation will disappear. Because one inflammatory is your visceral fats. Once you remove your sugar, you reduce your visceral fat production. And then your fatty liver is production of excess sugars. And that is insulin would like to store. They store in your organs, store in your liver, store in your visceral fats. This causes a lot of inflammation. Once you remove the sugar, you lower your insulin, you remove all the dirt, it's causing all this inflammatory reaction. Your inflammation will remove. And ang mga anti-inflammatory is tolerant. Luyang nila.
Sorry, what can what can you say also about vitamin D in capsules?
Vitamin D, as I've said, all autoimmune problems will be treated by high dose of vitamin D3. 5,000 to 10,000. We give as high as 200,000 a year for cancer cases. Very high dose. So why do you have to buy vitamin D3? When you have a lot of sunlight here in the home. If you expose yourself to sunlight for about 1 to 2 hours in the morning, your body will be producing the 9,600 IU of vitamin D3 that your body needs. Pero ako ba kasi gusto instant? Kapoy magtindog sa buntag, dali pa man ito, palitaran ang vitamin D3. When you buy vitamin D3, be sure it has K2 in it, vitamin D3 K2. Para maging efficient ang absorption ng calcium at saka yung action ng vitamin D. Yes, you will. Take it in the morning, take it before you go to bed because it will also help you to sleep.
1 hour to 2 hours recommended daily for sunlight exposure.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanang
Early morning sunlight.
early morning.
Yung mga dagat, hindi sila gusto magpaadlaw sa buntag o sa adlaw, kaya mo tiguang po sila. But the first hour sunlight would not affect your skin. 6:30. 6:30 to 7:30. Ganiha, ang sunlight din sa Bohol, 5:45. Tanong yung sunlight. I was already out at 5:45 until about 7:45. 2 hours. In a sense, the best exercise is sprinting. Tingnan ko na ito nag-link dito sa hinan. Ay lakaw ko, tapos kalit ka, pasok na agad. Ano sa akin ba? Sa mga bukang itiwa ka. Pasok na agad, wapag sinilas. Tapos, ulo. Lakaw sa. Balik, aspas sa nagdagan, ulo na sa. White sinilas. Tingnan na ito nag-link dito. Ay, so itiwa ka. Sige, may nagdagan. That is the best form of exercise you can have. Increase your heart variability and for you to produce that performance for your muscle again. What more?
I heard of, I don't know if it's true, that vinegars are not good for those having dyspnea or PCOS. Is it true? Vinegars, they're not good for those having PCOS or dyspnea.
In the contrary now, as I've said, if you want to halve your glucose so that your insulin will not go up, vinegar is beneficial for ladies with PCOS. PCOS is because of hyperinsulinemia. Pag mataas ang insulin, it will inhibit the conversion of androgen to progesterone and estrogen. Kaya ganito lang sila ng PCOS. That's why if you have a daughter with PCOS or apo with PCOS, their OB will give them metformin
What about dyspnea?
to lower the sugar. Dysmenorrhea is an imbalance of the hormones. It is a liver problem. Ice tea, pinapay, cakes, ice cream. It's a problem of the liver. And these are hormone disruptors. Mahilig yan sa crispy cake, chicken joy, Kentucky fried chicken, chops to go. Mahilig yan pa. Dysmenorrhia at sugar. Kadungay yan, umboy ko dito.
Thank you, Doc. Last, Doc, what can you say about autophagy?
After 16 hours of fasting,
Same na, Doc.
your body will go into autophagy. Meaning, the body is telling itself, there is no more food. Wala na tayo nagkain kaon. Let us try to destroy the old zombie senescent cells so that we could use their proteins as food for the cells that are still healthy. So autophagy will start after 17 hours of intermittent fasting. But the most is, it would really be at its maximum on the third day, 36 hours to 72 hours of fasting. If you really want autophagy, extend your fasting window. And after that, your stem cells will develop after 72 hours to 100 hours, 120 hours, to replace the zombie cells and senescent cells that were destroyed. Then you can leave. Then repeat the cycle after a month. You will notice you will regain back your health simply by not spending anything. By just fasting.
What I'm doing regarding autophagy, I usually do it daily. About 17 to 16 to 17 hours a day. Is it okay? Is it safe?
Yes, ma'am. You could do an overall lifestyle. 1 meal a day. It would really benefit you. When I'm in my clinic in Cebu, I am home. When I'm in clinic in Manila, I am home. Because from the airport, I go directly to my clinic, no breakfast, no lunch. I just have dinner about 9 or 10 o'clock in the evening. In the next day, I have my clinic, I still have my dinner at 9 o'clock. Ang dinner ko is only vegetables. Kaya soki ako sa Old Church, which is we have very, very good salads.
So, based
And
that,
woman will not. But kung makakaon ko, gusto sa kong kaon ko, wala lang si John Bonillo. Kaya kung naisubra sa labisa, ako'y tagakurot. Gabi gani, pinakaon mo dito sa gilid sa Aloha. Pag kanagang order sa akong sa libro, bisa na nga kung Ginoo sa Kristo na nahimong pagkaon, kahuman makakaunta na kaysa, uy, ang mga sobrang ipigan ninyo, nakakonekta pa sila doon sa basket, kaya hindi niya gusto na ay waste. Ang problema, ibutan na ako sa waste basket, muna din yung kamay ako ayan sa kanyang tao. Nalugi man sa ganina, kung kamay rin yung tao for breakfast, pagkalangin ba ng pamahaw sa hinan, ay ang kamyon. Pero mas hindi na ako maniunto, hindi na ako manikabi, hanggang tutong ba sa lunch, uy, di na ako, kaya na ako hindi. 17 hours. Maximize it to 36 hours.
Really?
Daily, in a way, 36 hours of fasting if you want to overjoy.
So doing it daily.
You could do it daily, yes ma'am. Pero daily daghan ang mga senses and surfaces that would be killed by just a daily over. Dili sa radical. E kung wala ang kaon, wala na yung source of food, di mo na yung brain, wala yung pagkaon, pakya na tanan ang tiguang ng mga cell para magamit na ito, ma-recycle na ang ilang parts para makaon sa mga cell na makbo. At the same time, to replace them, your body will start to produce stem cell.
2019.
Sabot na, intermittent fasting, ganito cancer. It will lower your insulin. Yeah, no chemo. Praise God. Honestly, kayo muna sa kita. Naluhay mo gani ko sa akong younger brother. May younger brother na stage 4 lung cancer. Di man maminaw sa ako, may gusto man sa family niya, fast, radical, chemo. Bakit yun? Pero I watch him suffer. Because of chemotherapy. I don't know about that. But anyway, I'm happy because he received the Lord.
Our questions of the board.
Good afternoon. Madam, yung yogurt po, okay lang ba yun?
You could have yogurt, but do not mix it with fruits.
Kasi ako naman diba po,
It will cause a lot of bloatedness.
gumagawa po ako ng sarili ko.
If you make your own yogurt,
Tapos po, ang
lactobacillus luteins is the best bacteria to use for yogurt.
yung tea at saka sourdough, okay ba?
Sourdough sugar. But it's better than ordinary malodogans.
Yung milk po, yung milk.
We were not designed to drink milk. You're already old to drink milk. Nakaianak mo? Nakaianak? Do you have children? How old is your youngest?
26.
Budili mo kasi mo. Wala. Because you were not designed to be drinking milk when we're adults. Kung hindi na mabili ang iyong 26-year-old, saan mo kapilahan dapat hindi na mabili? Tapos, natas kami sa baka ang ating inili. That's why you have a problems. Because the amino acid, the seed is inflammatory to your bowels. Kung wala yung sinabi, hindi pwede wak yung gatas. Kaya mga limang maayon kikumpaan. Why? Because your body would like to eliminate the toxin. Ilimang rin, gawas ko na niya, kung toxic man. Most of us are lactose intolerant. Kaya magkalimangan ka, makalimangin ka. Dok, hindi mo yung gatas, hindi mo kalimang, makusipin ko. Hindi mo gatas sa ibi para makalimang sa lupa. Why? Because your body would like to flush it out. It's a toxin that causes a lot of problems.
Usually po, pag umaga, ang ginagawa namin before mag-breakfast, may smoothie kami ng carrots, apple, aloe vera gel, yung fresh, and then cucumber, okay lang po yun.
Okay lang yun. Don't have breakfast anymore. That's already sufficient. Ayun na ako, gusto mo magkala. Ano ba ako?
Okay na po yun. Okay na po yun.
Hindi ka mo mapapakain kung mura yung taon. Kung may diabetes ka, mawala yun. Because you insulin mo yun.
Okay, thank you po.
Nandito nag-ask niya about coffee. Okay about coffee without
Coffee is one of the best things that you can have, but you have to minimize your caffeine to 400 milligrams per day, meaning 1 cup is equivalent to 200 milligrams. So you could have 2 cups a day, basta mas better kung walang sugar. Others will put some creamer in it. Dahil maski usang nagwapo ang kape, ang green tea, ang tableya, kung ino pasubrahan, it is a neurodegenerative chemical. Caffeine is good, it has a lot of polyphenols, a lot of fibers, but too much of the caffeine is neurodegenerative. Too much of theory in tea is neurodegenerative. And the Bible says honey is good, but too much honey is not good for you. Anything in excess is not beneficial. So 2 cups of coffee a day will be fine.
Good afternoon, Lord. First of all, I thank the Lord that you are here with us because the information you give to us is very much informative and applicable. Real talk yun eh, right? No, real talk yun siya, and I praise the Lord. I'm so blessed that I am here. Ako is I'm a nurse educator, and we are promoting health. And our emphasis is on balanced diet, that we should have this energy-giving food, bodybuilding food, body-regulating food. Pero I admit myself as a person, I have weaknesses though. And then I really grow up na no vegetable. I grow up inclusive vitamins. And then ako concerned this time is a month ago, like a chicken pox ko. And during that time, once a day ako mukhaon. So I really reduced kilograms ako weight. And pagbalik ko work, nagkaming comment, oh, you look great, ma'am. Kanang you look young, you look beautiful. Slim daw ko. And then later, hindi ko balik sa akong lifestyle. But I realized I want to stay with what they once said about me. So karon what I did though is nag-riceless ko. Nag-riceless ko. So usually my breakfast is a bread and a coffee. Coffee, can I become original? And then afternoon, when ako mag-eat of rice, I have 2 pieces of boiled egg. And then side, mix ako ka ng mango shake. And then in the evening, ka ng buko juice. Pero lately, nakatayan, nag-duty ka ako hospital do. So especially this week, very draining. My schedule is PM, AM long. And then I fainted the other night and I experienced headache. Pero to be honest, confident ko ayon sa food supplement that I'm taking this time. Kaya it addresses some of my personal problems on sleeping. Kaya di ko makatulog, but with the food supplement that I have, it's for the first time na makaingon ko sa sleep. And then I don't have a good bowel movement. As a nurse, I know na normal is 2 to 3 bowel a day. Pero ako, sukat-sukat is twice a week, which is I know it's not healthy, it's not good for my colon. Pero as I started with the food supplement that I have, mura na ko every other day. Pero nakapag-pattern na notice akong BM, nag-riceless ko, di-out na ko si rice. Mura ko, ginagmay na BM, pero mura every other day, usahay 3 hours after. So ako lang question, Doc, is, kaya ang problema na kuan discomfort ba mo pag gutom kaayo, I feel so weak. What I did is Skyflakes. Mga saka kuan. Nung nalipong ko, it's 12:30 midnight from my duty. Tapos para dito mamigil ko sa akong headache, na lang kayo na nagkakuan. Gusto lang kapligo sa Skyflake. And then nagsagunsan ko, kanang bukong bitaw doon sabaw sa bukulit sa gulan ko. May murag din ako manihapon. Murag naba, iwan na ba? Rice ba?
Concerned about this?
Ang concern ako is, siguro I want to look for something na substitute na ko sa rice like kamote. Or what can you say about my headache? And sa kung na hindi ko na.
Headache is hyperinsulinemia. Sabi ko, if your insulin is high, it causes migraine headaches, it causes elevation of your blood pressure. Because what you have been doing, rice is more worse than bread is more worse than rice. Stop the bread. Skyflakes, sugar din yun. Yung Mentos smoothie mo, sugar din yun. So, removing the rice is one big step for you. Maganda na yun. But don't replace it with bread. Dahil mas mataas ang glycemic index ng bread. Even oatmeal has very, very high glycemic index. Hindi siya pwedeng i-replace the rice with bread. Very high ang glycemic index of oatmeal. Why? Because it is absorbed directly in your bowels. It doesn't even go to your large intestine, small intestine pala. It is already absorbed. It's already refined. Yung mga ready-to-eat oatmeal, yung instant oatmeal, small intestine pala, absorb na yan, shoot up na yan ng insulin. So this, natukin mo pag-headache is because of insulin. Lower your sugar. Lower your sugar intake. That headache will disappear. Minor headache will disappear. Skyflex is sugar. It will also cause sugar. So sa may iba, ipalit na ito. Probably kamote if you want. Or boiled banana. Pero kung snacks, instead of Skyflex, itlog na lang, protein mo na, wala na sugar. Yung itlog ba, boiled egg, whatever. Sabaw sa buto will really help you a lot because it is a diuretic, it will help you to move, but not too many because it's also high in fructose. Yes, yung direct direction, doon ba? Tama na yung during the time that you have yung chicken pox. Kaya kung naamagod tayo sakit, ang atong lawas, may mo na siya. Conserve your energy. We have a fight to fight. Pagkaon you spend a lot of energy to digest it. Kaya kung nakay trangkaso, nakay influenza, nakay viral infection, huwag mo ganang kumaon. Kaya yung lawas na ingon, ayaw problema, kaya naatay problema may katumaon. Ayaw po, do not waste your energy because we have an enemy to fight and I need my energy to fight. Ayaw makauna. Baliktad man ta, ako makakauna kong Skyflex, kung Chuorins, kung akong hilalan, kung gabay pa ko. Baliktad kong Skyflex, baliktad kong Chuorins, baliktad niya sa itong bedside. Kaya nalipay kong gamay pa ko, kinanton ko, nga naman, di ko iswela, ikaluha palitan ko Chuorins, o palitan ko kong Skyflex. Makakauna kong Skyflex, makinom kong Chuorins, kung ako yung hilalan, hindi magkakalaan ng kaon. Kung kayo yung nawas ng imo, ayaw, kahon, kinaatay, kalaban, ato, unang place to hunger pangs, it's in the Bible. At nag-school lang na kama, high school, wala yung kwarta na akong ginikanan, wala may Islam, wala may hunger pangs. Nag-college ka, atong alawan, sakto lang yun, sa pamasahe o boarding house, wala may Islam, wala may hunger pangs. Naka-nurse na tagamay, nagay pagkaon sa nurse station, alas 10 pa lang, kung wala na Islam, sakit na sa ulo. Because you already have trained yourself, you wind yourself to eat. Tapos, paghanap ka ng sugar, because the one that dictates your cravings is your bacteria in your body. So, hindi pagkaon puro carbs, puro protein, rice, bread, bagel shake, Skyflex. Ang imong ipakaon ay mong bacteria. And this is the one that dictates, tell you, pangita na o, chocolate, pangits, pangita na, tinapay, pangita na ano. Kaya sila may magdikta sa iyong cravings. Kabalo ka mag-fasting na, you shift to vegetarian diet, dili lang dito ka magkaon kung may gulay, masukot na ka. Kaya makita naman ang gulay ng iyong nulubayan. Hindi na kaganahan ng kanong, hindi na kaganahan tinapay, hindi na kaganahan ng mga sweet. I admit it's very hard to remove your sugar cravings because every time you have sugar, your oxytocin goes up, serotonin goes up, you feel good. Kaya removing sugar is more difficult than removing heroin. Pwede mo magtanggal ang heroin o cake shabu, pero naghihirapan ka magtanggal ang sugar. It's very effective. Besides, kung sa shabu ka, mahandog pa ka, mas madakpa ka sa pulis, mangita ka pa, mangita ka pa o share. Ang sugar, wala din sa refrigerator. Nasa pinakagapon na 7-Eleven ninyo. Dali na kang makagrab ng sugar. Kaya hindi ka makakaya. Mag-try fasting again and try eating more vegetables. Ako, wag ko magunhuna. exposed before. I smoked 3 packs of Marlboro a day. I was in drugs. I was a heavy drinker. The only vegetable I know is the ketchup in my pork chop. Naghanod ka na. I remember when I was a student sa Cebu, na ay sumpaw niya sa yung mga tiguwang sa nila, Oriental Theater, sa Ugos, na anay kurang, iba naman ang kulong karon, ano ba yan? Dito sa Tuboy, before you go to Madalili, na ay gamay na store niya ang mabalik ang sumpaw. Bago pa itong June France na banana ketchup. Nahilig ako ng sumpaw. Pagkahamuan akong kaon, ang ipabayaran sa ako ang ketchup, libre ng sumpaw. Kaya nahulog na ako. At mas mahal ang June France kisa sumpaw na akong ipalit. May kinang tiguang mabantay. Dog, ang sumpaw na naibayaran, ang ketchup na naibayaran, libre ng sumpaw. So the only vegetable I know, I did not realize that will be a vegan someday. Any more questions? That's okay.
I guess some question, like raised the question about sa kids na okay ba ang milk, ang yawa, vitamins to be very good to
Yung milk, sabi ko, we will not decide to drink milk when we're adults. Kaya mga yung mga inahan, after 3.5 years, when the baby could already digest the food that is supposed to eat, mawala ng gatas sa tutoy sa nanay. Di ba? Di ko kung sa nursing, breastfeeding. Kaya kung dili mo yung breastfeed ng bata, mag-mouth breathing na, dagang problema. Kung ano na ganito ang bata, ipanganak ang cesarean, bubuwag yung response. Nga naman, the best gift na irigalo sa inahan sa iyang anak, ang iyang utot, pag-anak. Kung cesarean ka, dili man yung mali ang inuuha, ang paggawa sa bata, doon sa iyong bubot. Eh pwede man tayo sa Ginoo ang bata magawas din sa gilid. Pero ito ang disenyo sa Ginoo, ang bata magawas man dire sa vagina, doon tayo sa imong rectum. Sometimes you will say it's a wrong anatomy. Why? Because the best and the first gift that the mother gives to the child is the holobayan of the mother. Kung di ka makita ang bata na pinanganak, pagdagsara kita na bridge, kung bata kang hiyaw, di ba? You are a nurse. Anak din ang bata, nutuyog din na. Ang iyang ino, tuwa sa lubot sa iyang inahan. Kung kanaghan sa mga inahan, mga anak, patintain uban. Nabuto. Nga naman, because the first cry of the baby should come from the holobayo of the mother. Ang cesarean ng mga bata, probably, ang unang hila, ang holobayo ng delivery room, which is very toxic.
Nilumaan ka kamuti, nilumaan ka sakit.
Pwede na sila.
Maximum o ilang ka sakit.
Ayaw na karanasan. Kaya kung gusto mo pasetsi, katuwa ka sa akin, okay na lang. Ayaw sa punta ko sa kapsapan. Wala na kong ka-open, kung gulungan siya sa kapsapan na sa akin, sabo. But if you can really help, but eat rice, na igitawag na retrogradation of starches. You cook your rice today, you eat it tomorrow. Ang tawag nga lang sa mga biochemists is retrogradation. Bahaw. Because the starches is converted into resistant starches by the bacteria. If you keep your rice in the refrigerator 24 hours after you cook it, pwede mo eat garlic rice or you still it again. Pero dapat, huwag mo kauna na yung magpanimuhin mo. Retrogradation of the starches. You are converting it back to a resistant starch. Pero mas malayo na ang pero kaya kung makumain ang doktor, mapakainin mo may kanon. Mo na lang natin mo. Either you eat less or you retrograde your rice.
So the alternate sa
Yung
milk,
ako tanongin mo kanina yung
alternate sa milk, sa elementary kids na to, alternate sa milk, and then the vitamins that you can do to milk.
vitamins.
Sa mga kids, mga elementary.
Kids, mga bata.
Then, huwag itong milk po, replacements sa milk.
Dapat wala na yung ng bata. Dapat makakulo na ba ito siya pag 3 years old na. Ang uban, painulong niya kung data sa bata. Sa bata. Wala na yung problema. Dahil mga autoimmune problem, mga allergies, dahil siguro, sakit na katumaniliganan. Tapos mga anak, tag-16. Pero gusto ko pa sa tulisin ng ako, ayaw mo anak, ako mga anak, gusto ko na ako mo. Tapos tanawa, tanan ang ako anak, ang ilang mga misis, puro cesarean. Tanawa ninyo ang statistika sa hospital. Mas daghang cesarean kaysa normal delivery. Sa una nga ako maghinikanan, cesarean, wala na. Nga naman, buntis pa lang ang inahan, kaya mo naggatas, ma'am, gatas sa baka. Yung matris sa baka, dako, ang matris yan ng gaway, dako ang bata, kung may paggawa sa anak. Ang bayad sa normal delivery, 5,000 naman, ang bayad sa cesarean, 50,000 man. Kalipay kami mga doktor. Dali pa, kalipay pa bata ang nanay, kaya may sakit, di ba nag-labor. Pero sa inyo sa bata, dahil magkasakit, ang inyong response mo, kaya wala man sa exposure to the mother's olubayon from birth. Why ka?
Vitamins ito sa replacement.
Ang mga vitamins sa bata, ano yung mga vitamins na natural? Pero usually, mga bata pa naman, hindi na ako makialaman na ako sa may pagkalihanan sa pediatrician ng mga vitamins. Ang ako ay importante yun, vitamin C. Kaya kaya mga vitamins sa bata nila, ako increase of 3 times. You have to have high dose of vitamin C. If there is one vitamin that you have to like to advance, vitamin C. Minimum of 3,000 milligrams per day. Sabi kasi tapos, lahat po siya sa kuto. Look for an ascorbate of calcium or sodium. Better if you could have a vitamin C with lysine because it will help develop your collagen fibers.
Daily ascorbic acid.
Daily ascorbic acid. There are 4 forms of vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is very cheap, very also elastic precursor. There is an ascorbic of sodium ascorbate, which I often do not recommend because you could have also sodium everywhere in your cooking, in your vegetables. This is the major mineral. Sodium is a very important almost everywhere. I would rather go for calcium ascorbate. There is a 4th type of vitamin C, ascorbate palmitate, is very, very expensive. It's not available in the market, in the Philippine market. So, ang ako gamit ng vitamin C is with calcium and magnesium ascorbate because calcium magnesium lowers your blood pressure and it has a lot of proline and lysine to prevent heart attack and stroke, especially those who have COVID vaccine and messenger RNA.
And the rest is leafy vegetables.
Pero ang pinaka-number 1 source of vitamin C is green leafy vegetables. Dili ang kalamansi, dili ang lemon. It is green, yung mga talbos ng kamote, talbos ng palaya, talbos ng sayote, talbos ng kampo, lahat ng talbos, malunggay, is a very high source of vitamin C. Yes, ma'am.
How can we thoroughly wash the vegetables and fruits na kasagaran nila natin sa market? Na kung mag-distribute pagkalit sa organic stores.
How do you clean it?
Yeah.
Very good question. Number 1, ang vegetables, God has provided us the food that we need in a particular season. And a particular place where you are located. Nakita ko ilang ipalit din na ay mansanas. Supposed to be, samot nakainit kayo panahon. Hindi na nga yung mansanas. Kaya wala kang mukha sa Ginoo. Wala ka sa Pilipinas, namukha mo ng mansanas. Wala kayong mansanas, namuha din sa buwan. It is not made for us. And besides, you have to watch the fruits in season. Kaya mo na kami pakaaw sa atin mo. Ngayon kainit ang panahon, kung may daghan, watermelons, melons, papaya. Kung sa'yo makita mo ang fruit in season, yun ang kailangan in your particular locality. Kaya kung ba, nakulang rin, init dito sa ilaha, dito ang pagpuntas ng muriwa. kay init pa sa ila, nireceive ang ulan sa ako, iba sa nakato bukas. Wherever you are located, eat the fruits in season. Kung siya makitanim sa daghan. Ang problema karang panahon, gibinuaman nato ang ato mga tanong. Ang mangga, dapat June pa na umunga, every day of the year na isprihan man. Off-season farming, mas mahal pa ng mangga kung off-season. Ang watermelon, supposed to be wala na sa December, dahil hindi man sa mga resort, naga po yung watermelon available, na may din. Kaya mamatay pa ng watermelon kung sa ulan, hindi pa na sa watermelon. So, God has provided us the fruits that we need in season. Pears, apples, we are not supposed to eat them. These are for people who are living in the temperate countries. We have our own tropical fruits available to us. There are fruits that are here every whole year round. This is the fruit that you need. Papaya, wala ng season. Yung mga buko, walang season yan. Saging, walang season. Yung mga banana, how would you clean them? Number one, if you are suspecting that there are a lot of pesticides sprayed into your vegetables, you could put a tablespoon of vinegar and you soak it in your vinegar water. If you are suspecting that your pinsay did to be harvest sa likod sa hospital, kusog na mga natubo mga tangkong, diha sa asa ng dapat, you soak it in saline water. Put 3 to 20 tablespoons of salt in the water where you soak them. Kung sophisticated ka, mayroon kang kanjin machine, use the pH2 of your kanjin machine to remove all. Very high, pH 9 to 11 for insecticide, pH 2 for bacteria. Kung wala ka naman, you could buy an ozone machine. You organize the water where you soak your vegetables. But don't worry about mga ugaw. Just clean your vegetables well. Dili ka magkalibang ana, ay hydrochloric acid will kill all the bacteria before it goes into your smoking system. Magkalibang ata, pagdaghang yun kaayo ang kagaw sa iyong ikapagkakain. O, let's say, kag-inom kung bumipagson para sa itong napuntahan niya ang anak sa bird, dahil kulang ang production ng hydrochloric acid. So, hindi mamatay ang bacteria. Don't worry. God has provided us with a very good control to control all the pathogenic bacteria that cause cancer. So, vinegar water, if you're suspecting of chemicals, saline water if you want to feed some bacteria. So, acid. Then, eat the fruits in season.
Okay na, since almost 4 hours na tayo, wrap up na daw. Kaya practice pa daw ang person worship. 6 o'clock. Any last words?
So, it's already 6, may person worship po kayo. I would just like to say thank you for having me. And sana, ang last na ako ay share ko inyo, kainom ni John sa John 13:17. If you know these things, blessed are you if you do them. You'll be in heaven, may you prosper.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.